welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm so excited to do this video. Real quick, you guys, I'm gonna let you guys know my sizing. I usually get mediums tops, mediums bottoms, and I'm a 34B, sometimes a C, depending on the bra, the brand, stuff like that. I am 5'2", and I'm around 120, 125 pounds. Before I get started, please don't forget to give it a like and a comment, and please subscribe. I love it. Thank you so much. So let's just stop all this talking and continue on this video. I love these tops so much that I even got this color, which is kind of like a mustard color, and white. And they're, I mean, pretty much they all fit the same as this one. But I will obviously will still put them on so you can see the difference. Certain places they're not stretchy, like this part of the sleeve is not stretchy. But I think it's not, I don't mind that. These feel like really good quality as far as for the pricing, and they seem really stretchy, so you can get away with like when you start eating and you get that belly. So these really will help for that. Here's the white one, and actually it's my favorite because it fits with my outfit, with my bottoms, and it just looks so cute. Like, also for the sizing, they're all going to be down in the description. Also all the links, also where you can find them, all that jazz. So don't worry, I got you. But for this shirt, this is a medium, and it's the same. So this is my favorite shirt. This is so cute. This part right here makes you look more slim and like you have a waist. I'm obsessed with this shirt. Here you go, guys, the next top, and this is polka dot. I don't know if you can tell, there's polka dots on the top. Oh, there you go. Really cute. The only thing I have issues with this top is that it's a little loose right in this area, and I don't want to, excuse my armpit. So I don't know if you're looking for a short top. This is definitely not short. It's really loose. That's the only thing I'm also like bothered by, but I think this is a really cute top. I don't know. What do you guys think? I found this from this YouTuber. She tried it out. She also did a tryout or try on. So here's the dress on. There you go. You can see the whole dress. So it's right here, mid-thigh, and it doesn't have any pockets or anything. It's really good quality. I actually love it. There's two layers. There's one inside right here, which is a silky kind of fabric, and the outside is just really, I don't know, it's really nice. I don't know what kind of fabric this is, but I need someone to help me with that. But besides that, I mean, there's really no issues with this dress. I love it. I can see myself wearing it. So here's the second dress, and I'm not wearing a bra, but honestly, I have no problem with it. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. You can't really see much. There's a knot right here, which is super cute for the summertime. This dress is really flowy. I love it. It fits perfect, actually. No tight anywhere, no loose anywhere. It's kind of perfect. I totally like this dress a lot. And I'm not into polka dots, but it's a really cute black belt. I love it so much. It's just perfect for like casual, everyday kind of look. Here's the next item, and this is kind of like a dress. Right there. It fits around the knees, which is perfect. I think anything above the knee is perfect, to be honest. I actually put it on top of this top so you guys can tell the difference with the coloring. This shirt looks like this in real life, but it looks yellow, and this one, I don't know. But so the texture is really nice. I could see myself wearing this every day, like, you know, acting all cool. Like, I love this thing. Here's the next dress, and oh my god, this is the cutest thing ever. This front area right here is more of like a square shape. So it's different. I like it. The back. It's knee length. This. Alright guys, I'm done trying all these clothes and I had so much fun. It was kind of a crazy adventure going up on the sofa and stuff like that, but I just really wanted to help you guys see how it fit and looked on me. I love everything I got. Honestly, there's no issues. Everything came out complete, no damages, and it fit fine. Their clothing sizing is really confusing, but I feel like it's a little, things are usually smaller. So if you're a medium, I would definitely try large first, and you know, I think you'll have a better chance of something fitting better. Well, I'm gonna stop talking. I hope you guys have a good day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.